always, I'm really, really happy to have you here in this show to talk about our trading, to talk about new trading ideas, and to talk about different things there regarding to trading. So my question, did you have a wonderful weekend? Did you have the chance to relax in among your family and your friends? And did you do a lot of things for yourself, most away from trading? You know, this is so important because today the trading starts again. So, yeah, we stream this show on YouTube at the same moment. So you can subscribe to the channel if you click the button in the right corner. If you want, you can give us a thumb up, a like, or thumb down if you say that's stupid. Whatever there is in your mind, get in touch with me, get in contact with me so we can talk about our common success. Okay. Yeah, you can leave a comment also. Vladimir, good morning on YouTube. I can see the chat, and let me share my screen right now. And here we go. There's the chat. So who is with me this morning? Let's see. Where is my family? Tina, good morning. Chiseng, good morning. Remo, wonderful. I'm so damn proud of you. I swear to God. Michael, good morning. Hartmut, Karel, also Rainer and Mihai, good morning. And today, let's talk about the upcoming events first, and then I show you really, really good news. One of our awesome traders sent me wonderful news this morning. He made my day, of course. So Raquel, good morning. Luthando, also good morning. So today, yeah, we just expect a preliminary flash estimate GDP from the Europe Onion at 10 o'clock. So, but tomorrow, be careful. Tomorrow is the most important or the more important day, because this night from Monday to Tuesday, we expect an Australian cash rate decision. Okay, there is nothing to expect new that they change something. I guess they will keep the rate, but you know, press conference, blah, blah, blah. They will talk about a lot of things and say nothing as always. So, but you know, we have higher volatility in the market. So in case you trade Australian dollar in lower time frames, then fine, then 4-hourly chart, so be careful. Or maybe make your trade safe, that you don't get out with some stupid spikes like this, okay? Boris, wonderful, good morning. Okay, so yeah, this is the point. And of course, we have lovely webinars this week, and basic on how to successfully scalp the order book. Mr. Jens Glad is talking about this on Wednesday at 3 o'clock German time. This is what you should know. And of course, in case you have Telegram on your phone or on your screen, then please subscribe the Telegram channel of Admirals. And also, if you want Twitter, also we have a lovely Twitter account. First of all, Admirals Global there also. And my name on Twitter is DayTrader70. So you will find a lot of things if I share my, whatever, trading ideas, something like this there. So I'm appreciated if you follow me there, if you want. Okay, let's start with a wonderful, because I want to praise this guy, and I want to praise Remo this morning. So why do I mention his name? Because I'm proud of him, because I show you one. I show you just thing. So Remo sent me this from his account. So you see, this is the account before he followed our morning briefing show and before he stepped on the path of logic. So you see, it's not really so beautiful. So since a couple of weeks, he followed this morning briefing show and he followed the path of logic. So you want to see the result? I show you. Look at this one. Isn't this amazing? I'm so proud, really. because I know it works. And you see my account. I know it really works if you follow the logic and if you do it. By the way, it's just not up to me. I just show you the way, because we are standing, literally standing on the shoulders of big giants. So what we can do, we just can follow. We will not found something new in trading, because everything is there. The big challenge is to do it. And this is that's the next challenge. That was an amazing start. And now the future will show if you are a real successful trader. But this is the most important thing, because now you planted the perfect seeds in your mind, because now you know, yeah, damn it, it works. And now it's a bit easier to follow. It's a bit easier. And you know, it's just going up a bit, it's going down, and it's going big up, it's going down, and it's big up. And this is trend trading. We have a couple of losses, small losses, but if it catches wonderful trend and it works and you let it go, then you have this boom. Yeah, this is always the same. Small losses, small losses, small losses, and then whoop up. Small losses, small losses, small, and the next one. And this is how it works. So you see, this is not me. This is one of our lovely followers. And I'm proud of him, really, because I know the challenge beyond the try and this just chart here. Okay, go on. Really cool stuff. I'm really proud of you. And you see, take it as an example. Remo is one of us. Yeah, he's just fighting and he's challenging, but he did it. So take an example. You see, everybody can do it. Everybody can do it. And you can do it too, because we are the exception, because we follow the path of logic. This is what we have to do. Let's go. In case I've never mentioned it, I love trend trading. Oh, you see, it's really cool stuff. Yeah. Yeah, Remo, it's you know, the path of logic means the law of probabilities, never miss an entry. And who cares about the news? It's nothing. Just follow the trend and never miss an entry, by the way. Okay, you see, we have lovely success in our DAX trading, just following the trend, just following trends. 184 points profit, 165 points profit. There was a bit losses, 46, but 341 points profit. 84, 48, 161 loss, 165 profit, 184 profit. And this trend, downtrend, 74 points profit. And again, this long, 74, the short, 86. And now we are in profit also. So the purple line means that's the soft stop. So actually we are 127 pips points in profit. So, and now 1, 2, 3, 4 trend arms right now. Just let it go. Let it go. So where is the point of control? Let's see. Oh dear. Yeah, we have space up to go here. Point of control is 15,778 points. So just let it go. Yeah, just, you know, that's the guaranteed trend, and the point of control is our guarantee. For retail traders, we only have two guarantees, not to know what happens next, but we have two guarantees. There is always a trend, always. And the price will always go back to the point of control, because there's just only one exception. The trend will break or they change the point of control, but then you can see it. Okay, actually, if the price will remain here at this price area, then it could be possible that they change the point of control to the lower side. But this is not happening right now. So just let it go. And in case they change the point of control, what happens? Nothing. It's just an information. But that does not mean that we have to close the trade. Why should we do this? It's just an information that that the market is kind of satisfied with the current price, with the most volume there, but that does not mean that it affects the trend. So just let it go. Okay. So actually we have space. So who is with me? Oh, Daniel, Amani, wonderful. Good morning. Good morning, Daniel. Also, so Amani wrote on YouTube, my only problem is when it goes to my direction, it take profit too early. Oh, I know this problem. I had this years and years, and sometimes today also. So how you can handle this? Yeah, cut your profit, cut your position size. You are affected and you are attached by emotions. Yeah, you are attached by emotions because you look at your account size and you look on the money. So delete every single information on your chart, just naked charts, no numbers, nothing else. And cut the position size to a lowest position size that you can literally say in your mind, oh my gosh, who cares this trade? I don't care about it. Let's just let it go. Yeah. This is also one of the 4 magic L's, L number 3, just let it go. Accept the inevitable thing that with your account size, you cannot be rich, or you cannot become rich overnight. It's just a training account size. So let's make training. Yeah. It's not the time yet to win the gold medal on Olympics. Now we are on training. So let's just train. So who is with me? Agree, I'm watching from Africa, precisely Nigeria. Welcome. Welcome, my friend. Ike Elites. Wonderful to have you here. I'm looking forward to see you and meet you one time in person when we go on a road show with Admirals around the world. So do you look on the trader settlement in DAX too? No, not really. Not really. Let's see in DAX actually this morning. Do we have? It's not so, it's no 34 to 66. It's in 10 minutes. It's not really interesting. So let's go to our focus charts. Oh, and Difo, greetings to Cameroon. I like, oh my gosh, we are really such a big family. I love it. I really, really love it. So let's go to the focus charts, and here we go. Who is, yeah, let's start with DAX 40. Balim, 4 hours, and here you go. So this is DAX 40 right now. So what do we have here right now? That just let me open my drawing program. So we have still the downtrend, you know, as you know, it's still the downtrend. And this one and this, and oh, there's no trend break yet, by the way, just bam. And on the right side, there is a new uptrend right now. And I told you there could be the entry. So then now in 4-hourly chart, even in the 4-hourly chart, you are in profit. Yeah, you are in profit. So Nabe from Togo, good morning. Last year, you see, we have family around the world. I really love it. And guys, if you have more people around of you or your people in your family, invite those people to this show, because we can help everybody, even with those teeny tiny small accounts, to increase the account bit and bit and bit more and more and more. And with this, we can change the world. And this is what we have to do. in this life. I hope you're with me. We can change the world. So that's DAX 40. You should be in latest at the point 2. You can make an entry here. Point of control is a bit higher. Could be interesting. British pound USD. Still a downtrend. As you can see, it's still a downtrend. It's awesome, right? If you let it go, you can make the experience to make a lot of money. In case you let it go, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trend arms. Yeah, just let it go. Actually, there is no contrary trend. We don't have to act right now. So just let it go. There is nothing to do. Then we have the gold chart. Yeah, gold chart is there. By the way, there's no trend. There's no trend. Actually, you see, it's just a big move. Yeah. If you say, what's about this? Then it's market noisy. Yeah, there is no changing of the color in Heikinashi. It's just one balance, a bit balance, it's market noise. It's not a trend, actually. And by the way, you know what is interesting? Do you look where we come from? Just check it out. Yeah, cheap, expensive price, back to the point of control, punctually. Yeah, pinpoint, hit it exactly. Now you know we trade the price and nothing else. Yes, so yep, I have more focus charts, but we have running trades also, because I have to mix it right now. Before I do this, we have to talk. I have the question of the day, and my question of today is every Monday, you know, and I hope you get the right answer today. What are your trading goals for this week? First, I want to stick to the rules under all circumstances. And of course, I want to learn how to cut my losses whenever it's needed. So what's your private goal? And please make a note in your handwritten diary. What's your real goal? And don't tell me on Friday you didn't have a goal. I don't want to hear it on Friday, because you have to set a goal. Without a goal, you will never become successful, nor in this life or in either in trading, of course. Not at all in trading. You need a goal, by the way. Okay. And it, by the way, it should be both, I guess. Okay. We have more focus charts, but we have 3 of them. We have open trades. Let's start with Euro USD. And we are in profit with 229 points right now. And now we see a kind of stabilization. We are deep in the green zone, by the way. Yeah, we have a lot of space, and we are just waiting for a contrary position. And it's not happening right now, and not today. It's just a downtrend, and we have to do nothing. Next one. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we opened a trade here, you know, this, here we go, move, correction, and the move. So now we are on the second trend arm, and you know, this is our duty to open a trade in the second trend arm, and we did it. And now we open the trade. We were a bit in profit, and now we are a bit in loss. So I can see, oh my gosh, we have trend candles. They are working against of me, which means I trailed the stop loss to this current candle right now. And actually, I will cut a possible loss under all circumstances. But also, actually, I have the chance that the trend will continue. So what's the plan? Yeah, just let it go. Maybe the price will go up. I don't know right now. And I don't care about it. It's just my duty to follow the laws and to follow the trend. That's all. So in case we get out, we have a teeny tiny loss. but still the second trend arm, because the trend will break here. Yeah, and as long as we don't have a trend break, we have to set a pending order again and again and again. Okay, this is what we have to do. So next one, Dow Jones. Oh my gosh, 233 points, dollars in profit. And that's really cool. And you see, draw the trend properly, follow the laws of probability, and everything is fine. Yeah, so what we have to do? Nothing for the moment. We are in, stop loss is lower, and now we are listen to the chart, not interpreting, not analyzing, just listen to the chart. As long as we have trend candles, there is nothing to do. So just let it go, okay? Just let it go, please. So where is the point of control of the Dow Jones? Where we are right now. Yeah, where we are right now. So you see, the point of control should never be an obstacle to open the trade. It's just an orientation. But here we got the orientation that we have a fair price right now. But this offers us the big chance that we have a long running trend maybe, and maybe we get new all-time highs. Who knows? Who knows? So just let it go. Oh, what is about the Bitcoin? Where is the point of control in Bitcoin? Yeah, on the upper side. Bitcoin is $47,192. So, but we are among the red zone actually. So just let it go for the moment. Yeah. So do you agree Euro Japanese yen is still short? Yeah, we have a look on in the running trades right now. Okay, let's go to the rest of the running trades. It's Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Oh my gosh, it works for us, still works for us. So just let it go. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, just let it go. It works, still works for us. And there is no contrary signal right now. There is nothing to do. Euro, Japanese yen. Yes, it's still a downtrend. Actually, there was no trend break. There is no trend continuation. Now, there is also no uptrend. It's still the downtrend. So just let it go. Nothing to do. Now, drum roll, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, the one and only, the best trade we have right now running. Oh my gosh, it's British pound Australian dollar. We were in profit of almost 600 points. So, and now just around about 500 because thanks God, we are in a correction right now. Yeah, you know, we need the correction because without the correction, there can never be a trend because, you know, dependent origination. A trend depends of trend arms and the trend arm depends of movement and correction. Yeah. So just let it go. It's fine. The stop loss is in profit. We cannot lose money. We sold already half the position. Just let it go. Yeah. And today there will not occur a new downtrend. Yeah. Not today. Maybe in the rest of the, I don't know. And tomorrow, you know, this night, we have a rate decision of Australian dollar. This should be a little bit more volatility this night, but who cares? Who cares? We are in profit. We cannot lose money. They should do whatever they want to do. And the next one, New Zealand US dollar. Oh, in heaven's sake, look at this one. Oh, wonderful. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 trend arms right now. Now we are a bit in a correction. Just let it go. We need this correction. And just have a look at trader sentiment, New Zealand US dollar. Where is it? New Zealand US dollar. 89% are buyers. Yeah, we need those guys. Otherwise, we couldn't sell. Okay, so just let it go. The price will falling. Just let it go, guys. Okay, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yes, finally, we have a next correction. and the next correction can bring us new buyers to continue the trend. Otherwise, we get a short trend, but then we can listen to the chart, we can hear it, and we can read it. Okay, so just let it go. Yeah, we sold already half the position. The downtrend was a profit also. Yeah, just let it go. Guys, I love it. So trader sentiment, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Have a look at it. Oh, it's equally. That's fine. Okay, everything can happen. Just let it go. And finally, the one and only crude oil. Oh, in heaven's sake. Actually, there's no trend continuation right now. Yeah, I know that's challenging. I know. Be patient. Yeah, be patient. Just let it go. Now almost 10 points in profit, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. And look, we are almost 1,000 euros in profit. 1,000 euros. And I promised you, the moment we follow the law of probabilities, which means never miss an entry in those markets you are looking at, and you have the perfect time frame, and then you let it go, is the moment you must have success. It's logic. It's pure logic. And you know, and you see, we got it. And we will bring back this account into profit. We will bring it back. And if it's the last thing I do in my life, I promise, I will do my best. Okay, I cannot promise, but I will do my best, you know, and it works, by the way. So just 2 trading ideas. The first is just keep an eye on it. This is Euro Swiss franc. Actually, we have now a valid trend, and the next correction could be ours. Not today, maybe for the rest of the week, but just put it in your watch list, Euro Swiss franc. And also US dollar, Japanese yen. We have now a valid trend. We had a big move, a small correction. Therefore, I set a pending order at the point 2, because you know the correction is not deeper than 38 shows. So just a pending order and at the point 2 in case the trend will continue immediately. The first stop loss is the last point 3. And when we see it's not working for us, we get out immediately. US dollar, Japanese yen. On the list also is British pound, no, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, sorry. So we had a first entry, we cut the loss, but we also set a pending order in case that the trend will continue. We have to. It's a duty. It's law of probability. And this is British pound. Oh, we are in. This is British pound Swiss franc, because first trend on, second. And you know, that's the correction. So pending order, and now we are in British pound Swiss franc. We can do it here. Exactly. So now we are in. So just let it go. Target is, who cares, far away. We let it go. Okay. So, and if we have a close above the last point 2, we can trail the stop at the last point 3. Yeah, just let it go. Okay. Yeah, finally, that's all. So my question for you today was, as always, what are your trading goals for this week? So, oh, we had 57%. I want to stick to the rules under all circumstances. And 43%, I want to learn how to cut my losses when it's needed. And you know how. Both answers are right, by the way. And for both answers, there's just one thing. Take a position size you are not affected with. Take a position size you are not affected in. Emotions. Follow the path of logic. I wish you a wonderful and lovely day, Nastia. Thanks for your support. And as always, have courage and be kind, and may the force of the rules be